Do you like games? Are you competitive and want to win or earn some money? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the different ways you can make money playing games. And if you're a gamer, this might sound like a dream come true, but it is possible to turn your passion for gaming into a source of income. And you can use the device you're using to watch this video to earn money. So if you're ready to learn more about how you can make money playing games, keep watching. I want to welcome you specially to my channel. If you are new here and love money making content like this one, become part of this channel by clicking the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updates as soon as we drop more money making video. So let's dive in and explore some of these options. All methods I'll be talking about are great ways to earn, but the last method I will show you can make you over $5,000 monthly. So the first one here is competitive gaming. If you're skilled at a particular game, do you know that you can compete in tournaments and win cash prizes?
Hey Yudi, how does this work?
So there's a platform called Z-League. According to Z-League, while you play in a public lobby, the live scoreboard will track your progress along with everyone else playing in your skill-based division. So in other words, you have to go to Play Store, Apple Store, download the app and compete in different available games with real people for cash, credit or bragging rights. So Z-League hosts multiple tournaments every day for every game. You know the funny thing here?
What's that, Yudi?
You can also play against your own stats. Yes, that's right. You can get this tournament experience anytime you want to and win credits daily for hitting your own goals. So I try to seek people's opinion on how they have enjoyed this platform, and on Trustpilot we have a fair share of people that love and hate the Z-League platform. Let me give you a hint. If you use cheat code while playing this game, or if you use cheat code while playing games you love to play, that is if you play funny games with cheat code while using this platform, you will be disqualified. Okay, well, on Play Store the review seems great and it's contrary to what you can find in Trustpilot. If competition isn't your style, I've got you covered. You can make money testing games for developers. Many game developers and publishers are looking for people to test their games before they are released to the public. So this can be a paid opportunity to play games and provide feedback. Platforms like playtestcloud.com need people to help them test game and give feedback about their experience. By doing so, they believe you are helping them make games that players love. It doesn't matter the device you use. They have a range of devices from Android, iPhone to iPad and tablets that you can use for testing.
Alright, Yudi, stop all this talk. How much will I earn from using this test platform?
The reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the tasks required during the playtest and the length of the playtest itself. According to them, generally 15 minutes playtest and survey will have a reward of about $9. They can also make payment in pounds, but if you are ever unsure about the tax you receive, you can always check the invitation mail for the reward amount. To get started, head on to the Become a Tester button to sign up. Ensure you read all terms and check the common question section before you become a tester with them. So I checked on Trustpilot to seek people's opinion, and based on 17 reviews, they have an average score that isn't bad. So ensure you check out what people are saying and learn from their experience. Hey, I want to thank you for clicking that subscribe button if you just did. Thank you so much for your support. Streaming. Now, if competition and testing isn't your thing, who says you can't make money by just playing your favorite games? Okay, you can stream yourself playing video games on platforms like Twitch, YouTube and Mixer. And you know what is interesting here? Viewers can donate money or subscribe to your channel, and you can also make money through ad revenue and sponsorships. There are channels on YouTube that actually make millions from this. Don't you think you can make such a huge amount from this? Think about it. We are talking about hundreds of thousands, if not a million. What do you have to lose here? After all, you have nothing to lose. All you're doing is just playing games in your spare time and doing some commentary. Picture this, your precious time was not lost in any way because you were doing this stuff during your leisure time. Alright? You can also take it a bit forward by creating and selling content such as guides, tutorials, and in-game items on platforms like Steam or through your own website if you've got one. A hint here: if you're good at acquiring rare in-game items, you can sell them for real money on websites like Player Auctions and Xplore. Other platforms that allow you to just play games and earn without competing and testing are Xplore. So according to Xplore, they are a pioneering play, and you can earn on mobile platform using Xplore. Millions of players engage with them to discover new games and get rewarded by just playing them. So here is a tip from a Reddit guy, so let's read it. Okay, Xplore work by awarding SP for playtime, and every time you level up that game in Xplore, not your level in the game, you are awarded 50 to 100 units depending on what that game's correct multiplier is. So 300 units is equals to $1. I made my first $10 in about 5.5 hours of playtime. Step 1, turn off your screen timeouts. Step 2, using Xplore, install and start whenever game has the highest multiplier. Step 3, go FK. I don't know what that is. Some games may have an inactivity timer, so leave it alone for longer and longer stretches to figure out how long. Note, you only earn SP for the first 2 hours of gameplay per game per day. Every level requires more SP to reach than the last, meaning longer play time between levels. Alright guys, so I will leave the Reddit link in the description. While they have good score when it comes to the trust level on Play Store, and Trustpilot reviews are on fire and not in their favor at all. So let's look at the game platform Gods Unchained. This is a trading card game that pays you to play. They pay via crypto, so while you play you earn a token known as $gods. A player on this platform is known as Mortars. Mortars can spend the $GODS token to fuse in-game card into NFTs being minted directly onto Immutable X. These cards are then tradable on Ethereum layer 2, giving you complete ownership over your digital assets. While the review about them on Trustpilot is poor, but on Facebook it is in their favor. Other platforms to explore are the MP.live, Cash 'em All, Play and Win, and also TestRup. There are many different ways to make money by playing game, and the best one for you will depend on your skill, your interests and goals. So don't be afraid to experiment and try out different approaches to see what works for you. And remember, even if you're not making a ton of money right away, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. I hope you find this video helpful and that it gave you some idea on how you can make money playing games. If you have something you want to tell me, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. See you in the next video.